How to become a rich person in the world like billionaires. Warren Buffett is one of the richest people in the world and one of the biggest investors in history. Using his unique approaches and investment strategies, he has become one of the prominent symbols of success and wealth in the world. In this article, we will examine the strategies, principles, and concepts that Warren Buffett used to become rich and achieve personal success. 1. Relying on long-term investment. Warren Buffett has consistently emphasized the importance of long-term investing. He uses a buy-and-hold strategy, which means buying stocks of valuable companies and revisiting his holdings with the goal of taking advantage of their long-term growth. This approach allows Warren Buffett to reduce the short-term volatility of the capital market and instead look for opportunities with long-term value and potential. 2. Correct valuation. As one of the top investors, Warren Buffett has the ability to correctly assess the value of companies. He looks closely at the true value of companies and investment opportunities, rather than the day-to-day fluctuations of the market. This perspective enables him to recognize and take advantage of long-term profitable opportunities. 3. Insist on continuous education and learning. Warren Buffett has emphasized the importance of education and learning as one of the essential factors of his success. He adheres to continuous study and learning from his own and others' experiences. This approach enables him to keep pace with market changes and new investment needs and update his strategies. 4. Independent thinking. Warren Buffett seeks to develop an independent and direct thinking. He has the ability to make independent decisions based on accurate and rational evaluation of information, rather than side effects or general market trends. This possibility enables him to take advantage of suitable opportunities and to be aware of possible risks related to decisions. Conclusion. Using the approaches, principles, and concepts learned over the years, Warren Buffett has become one of the most prominent investors in history. This article tried to analyze some of the key factors of his success and wealth and to inspire others from his experiences who are looking for financial growth and success.